Hello everyone, I am Shalini Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce at GEMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. In this lecture series of computerized accounting software, that is Tally, we'll continue with the discussion of creation, alteration, display and deletion of the ledger. This is the 11th lecture of computerized accounting software. So let's begin. It's very important to know the button or shortcut keys for the different categories. So if we talk about the button options in Ledger Master, so it is very important to keep in mind the keys, what buttons you need to look for it. Basically these buttons are displayed in the gateway of Tally, and it is very important to keep in mind which button are we opting for. So the button G is for the groups and the shortcut key for it is Control plus G. What is the function of this key? Click to create account group from the ledger creation screen. If you are creating a group item, then here you can click it on. Then we have E, currency. Shortcut key is Control plus C, and it is used to create currency from the ledger creation screen. S is cost category. Control plus S, it is used to create cost category from the ledger creation screen. Then we have cost centers, that is cost plus C. It is to click to create cost center from the ledger screen. Then budget, Control plus B to create budget from the ledger creation screen. V, voucher type, Control plus V, click to create voucher type from the ledger creation screen. Now about current liabilities and current assets ledger. Accounts like outstanding liabilities, statutory liabilities and other minor liabilities can be created directly under the current liabilities, and assets can be classified as current assets and fixed assets. So first of all, to create the fixed assets ledger, we go to gateway of Tally, accounts information, then ledgers, and then we create. There this screen will display. From here you can create the assets and liabilities accounts also. It is very important to create ledger for all the items, because in Tally it is not given, we have to create all those things, but features are available and they are easier one. Okay, this is the screen view of ledger creation of assets and liabilities. Then second, we enable the inventory values that are affected option if you maintain the accounts with inventory. Generally, as I in the starting also I told you, when we were creating company, there was an option for accounts maintenance, maintain accounts, though we generally choose the option for accounts with inventory, so that any sort of inventory is there, then we can maintain accordingly. Because later on, if you have created accounts only, then later on we have to follow a longer path to edit that option. However, you can use this option for the accounts like customs duty, direct expenses related to purchases such as freight inwards and so on. Then we have third option in our configuration, cost centers that are applicable to allocate transactions to particular cost center. You have to set the option maintain cost centers to yes. This option is given in the accounting features, that is the shortcut for it is 11, function key 11. To get this option in the ledger creation account, it is very important. Then we have expenses and income ledgers. So whatever items you are creating under the expenses and income ledgers, that is listed on in this category, you can select the income expenses account group to create ledgers. Go to gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledgers and create. Enter the name of the ledger in the name field. Then select indirect expenses or direct expenses, what type of expenses are you dealing with, from the list of the groups in the under field. Then note the selected indirect income from the list. If you want to create an income, set the option inventory values are affected as to yes. If your company maintains accounts with end inventory, it is very important to set it yes. Then press Ctrl plus A to accept it. Shortcut key for accepting is to Ctrl plus A. Then you can also enable cost center options in expenses or income ledgers to enable cost centers in the ledger creation. That we go to gateway of tally, then F11 we have features, accounting features, set the maintain account cost centers yes. So in ledger master, set the option cost centers are applicable to yes, and if the transactions have to be allocated to a particular cost center. So these features are very important to be taken care of. This is the screen view. As I showed you, this is the ledger creation screen, where you create the ledgers and alter it simultaneously. If you want to create multiple ledgers in one go, as we feel that there is a group of items ledgers which need to be created under the indirect incomes or indirect expenses, then we can form a multiple ledger and we can choose the category under indirect expenses or incomes, and accordingly we can create number of ledgers together. So you can create multiple ledgers at a time in this mode, and this will save time of the user. So go to gateway of tally, accounts info, ledgers, multiple ledgers, create option, select all the items or the required groups under which you want to create the ledger, and if you select all the items, you can select the group for each ledger in the under column. Then enter the name of the ledger, enter the opening balance. This is the balance as on the date of beginning of the books. And if you have opted to maintain the balance bill by bill, you must give the bill details, specify whether the opening balance in debit or credit, in the field of DR and CR. Then save the multiple ledger creation screen. Note, while creating ledgers in multiple mode, the field cost centers are applicable is set to as yes for revenue accounts and no for non-revenue accounts by default. The field inventory values affected is set to yes for sales and purchase accounts and no for the others. So by default it is set as yes and no. This is a screen view of multiple ledger creation, how it is created. So this, as you can see, the columns, serial number, name of the ledgers, under which category will it fall, then opening balance of all the items, as we are showing bill wise details. So this was how we created multiple ledgers, and what are the buttons which needs to be kept in mind while we are creating the ledger, because in tally generally we prefer to be handy on keyboards. We must be very much familiar with the keyboards instead of touching the mouse, because in tally we prefer not to touch mouse. We mainly we focus on the keyboard, and all the transactions or entries are done through keyboard only. So it is made handy. That's why it is very important to keep in mind the buttons, shortcut keys. It is very important to be savvy with these keys, and these keys only makes the transaction entries very much easier. Thank you for now.